Okay, so we did exercise 1 and 2 for shoulder stroke. We'll quickly revise exercise 1. I touch his base, he touches my front foot. I feel that tension, I release and lead, just slide underneath. The second one, he starts rolling my shoulder for me, and I feel the speed, and then I lead and I connect underneath. For exercise number 3, he puts one hand here and one hand on my belly, and as he pushes, I have to yield, and I define my central axis when I do this roll. Am I tilting on my hip? Am I tilting on my central axis? So as he changes this position, it changes the rotation of my body. So I've got to go to the outside edge of his finger here, when, if the camera can see, here I've got to rotate, move my central axis to there and rotate around there. If I rotate on center, he'll catch me with this hand. So as he pushes in, I roll, but I hinge from just outside of his finger and then do my issue. If he makes a fist and he puts dead center, then I can roll normally and pick him up. If his hand's way out on the edge of this hip, I have to create a point in space in which I hinge from to do the shoulder stroke energy. If his hand is on a knuckle right here, then I just go to the outside edge of the knuckle and rotate around that. That's going to give me more power. So now we train the shoulder stroke by changing the rotational point from central axis to the edge of the fingers, to all the way to the outside to a point outside our body, which we hinge from, and to the other side. When it's on this side, you get very short, fast power. When it's on this side, it's much bigger, longer waving power. So this rotational point is very, very important, because for every technique that you do, if I want to do a round kick, my rotational point's way out here, or it could be in my center. So the way you're doing your shoulder stroke will affect all your other techniques in angles of rotation. Where is the central axis? There along my body, or is the central axis way over here? The hinge is happening here. My body has to move in conjunction from this point, like a door hinge swinging from here, 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 and so forth. The creativity of your feeder is how they're going to allow you to train the shoulder stroke under all different types of rotational positions and build this internal power. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in the next video.